Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Hyundai Accent timing belt. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and allowing the engine to cool completely. Gather all your essential tools, including a torque wrench, jack stands, and a complete new timing belt kit. Ensure your vehicle is securely supported on sturdy jack stands before you begin any work. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process, setting you up for success from the start. Next, we will access the timing belt. Begin by removing the accessory drive belts, such as the power steering and alternator belts, to clear the way. You will then need to support the engine from below using a jack and a block of wood, allowing you to safely remove the passenger side engine mount. Finally, carefully unbolt and remove both the upper and lower timing belt covers, revealing the timing belt itself. This step requires patience to ensure no components are damaged. Now for the core task, removing and installing the belt. Rotate the crankshaft by hand to align the timing marks on both the camshaft and crankshaft sprockets precisely. This alignment is absolutely critical. Once aligned, loosen the timing belt tensioner and carefully remove the old timing belt. Install the new timing belt, making sure all timing marks remain perfectly aligned throughout the process. This ensures correct engine timing and proper operation. Finally, it is time for reassembly and final checks. Reinstall the timing belt covers, the engine mount, and all accessory drive belts you removed earlier. Double-check all bolts to ensure they are tightened to their proper torque specifications before attempting to start the engine. Start the engine and listen carefully for any unusual noises, then check for proper operation. A successful replacement means your Hyundai Accent is ready to run smoothly for many more miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.